please let us know about the Marma course that you had recently in India. And first of all, I would like to know your name and where you are from.
I'm Maria Elisa. I'm from Brazil. I'm an Ayurveda practitioner, and I think that Marma points are a good auxiliary, and at the same time, it's complementary knowledge to treat patients. And this course so much was so good. I found it very clear in the way of using Marma points for several diseases, for several pains, instead of going into a surgery or any other medical way. Marma points should be the first one, not the last one. To be,
it's very good, very
to
correct.
be rigid, yes. So I recommend this course. It was very nice. The teacher was very attentions, and so do it if you
Thank
can.
you. And could you also share about the experience you had with some of the Marma therapy sessions
So
with Dr. SHishir Prasad?
especially, well, I had a problem in my legs because of tuk-tuk movement, constant movement starts a big pain here, and I was like this. And so Dr. Shishir did a therapy, back movements and back pain, and a sequence for this. And in 2 days, I was much better. Just after I was better, but in 2 days, I almost have no pain at all. And the stress sequence is wonderful. I recommend it for everybody because to be stressed is a very bad thing. You mix up things and nothing goes on in the right way. And practicing this sequence, you can have a good sleep and you feel really your muscles light and a lightness in your body. So I think it was fantastic.
And how did you feel with the sleep? Was there any change after doing the Marma therapy or stress management sequence?
Yes, I slept as if I was a baby, a newborn baby. I start sleeping and I just woke up, and the next day at the time I had to no wake ups during the night, and so recovered. I felt myself much better, as if really relaxed, very good sleep.
Yeah. And I hope you like the stay here, and we had some very wonderful time with you. So all the 15 days stay. So it was really good to have you here in Dehradun, and my place at Badripur.
Yeah, the place is wonderful. You have a big house with many attractions. You have a place to get sun. You have a comfortable room, a bathroom for you, and wonderful food. And your wife is a very kind person. She helped us a lot, me and my friend. And she knew I had less coat than I would need. In the first moment she saw me, and she gave me one, I don't know how to say, shawl to use, and I use it every day. It was very kind of her. And your kids, they are really cute, especially Sohan. It's very nice. And the dog, I was a little afraid of him, not really afraid because he jumps. And so he could
Mm-hmm.
tore my my clothes.
Mm-hmm.
But it's okay. He's
Yeah.
so cute also.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Maria,
Thank you.
for being with us. It's a pleasure to have you here. And do I have the permission to share the video on my social media?
Sure, you do have.
Thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.